Hi everybody, we are back with grocery shopping with Miss Caroline. So we are on day 3 of using our fake dollars to pay for things that we would find at the grocery. So remember we are doing we're using one-to-one correspondence, and you all should be following along with me so we're not getting ahead, right? If this is too easy for you, if you are a level 3 and you're working on addition skills, you can add up the grocery items. Like for example, adding up a milk, that would be $2, and an egg, that would be 1. And if that's even too easy for you, you can do multiple products. So for example, egg plus milk plus bologna. If you have any additional questions or concerns, you know where to find me, friends. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using my virtual money. You can use the same website, or you can use the dollars that you all have cut out. All right. So our first item that we need to buy is what? Beef. Now this beef is $4 because we are just looking at the first number, right? So I'm going to go get my money, and then I'm going to put $4 out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And friends, if you want to, so if you're working on your skills, your money skills, and you want more of a challenge, you can pause it and count it out before I do it. So this would just be me help justifying how you got your answer. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that how much we need to buy the meat? Yes. All right, we are moving on to the next one. Now I'm going to go ahead and clear out my money. All right, our next item that we need to get from the grocery store is orange juice. And how much is that? Is it $1 or is it $4? Good job. It's $4. So can you show me $4? All right, so go ahead and get started while I get started as well. All right. Are you ready to count together? All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that the right amount of money? Yes, it is. Good job. All right, I'm going to clear out how much money I have, right? So we can be ready for the next one. All right. Our third item on our list is what? Ooh, yum. I love ham. How much is the ham? Is it $10 or is it $4? Good job. It's $4. So show me $4. It looks like all of these are, I was going to say, all of these look like they were $4. Okay. Oh my goodness. So we were at ham. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, friends. I'm having complications. So let's go ahead and count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this the right amount of money for our ham? Yes, it is. Good job, friends. All right, let's see what is next on our list. Yum, looks like we're picking up a lot of meat today. We are having hot dogs. And how much money is that? How much does it cost? All right, I'm going to give you some options. Is it $2 or is it $4? Good job. It is $4. So go ahead and show me $4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this the correct amount of money that we need? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is for, oh my goodness. All right, never mind then. That is $4. Okay, what's next on our list? Is it cheese or candy? Good job. I can't fool you all. This is cheese. How much is the cheese? Is it $20 or is it $3? Good job. It is $3. Can you show me how much money is $3? Let's make sure we got it right together. All right. So here's a challenge question, friends. So if I have $4, how many dollars do I need to take away to get $3? And this is a tricky question, so I'll go ahead and show you. So if I take $1 away, I can have $3. So go ahead and count your money. I know that was hard, that you probably didn't have 4 to start with, but make sure that you have $3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job, friends. All right, what do we have next on our list? Awesome. We have some yummy cereal. Do you like cereal? Oh, I do. All right, so how much is the cereal? Is it $20 or is it $3? Good job, friends. It's $3. Go ahead and show me $3. All right, we have 1, 2, 3. Good job counting to 3, friends. Oh, yum. A nice cold pop I have right here. And I paid $1 for this. Can you show me $1? All right, let's see if you're right. Is this how much money you have out right now? If that is the case, then you are correct. We have $1. All right, I think this is the last one. Oh, the last thing on our list is broccoli. Do you like broccoli? I know that we have some people that don't like broccoli. Well, we're still going to buy it regardless, right? Because it's healthy and we need to eat our vegetables. All right, so how much is the broccoli? Is it $7 or is it $1? Good job. It's $1. So we're going to count the money that we need, right? Is this how much you have out? If that's the case, good job. We have $1. All right, friends, I think that's it on our list today. But thanks for stopping by and doing some grocery shopping with Miss Caroline. We're not going to be continuing this tomorrow since it is Fun Day Friday. But I will see you on Monday. All right, have a good one. Bye.